I'm pretty sure in the last few weeks, people have made clips of you talking about the Mahabharata and Ramayana. We stopped that conversation at the point of Dwarka's
Submergence, destruction because of flood, sea gushing waters.
And you were talking about cataclysmic events. You were talking about worldwide floods that we also hear about in other cultures, like the story of Gilgamesh in Mesopotamia,
or the Greeks, Atlantis.
Atlantis.
Right? Plato talking about Atlantis 9,000 years before him.